guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and do all of the right things. Today I'm going to make savory rice. I have a little pot over here and I'm just going to add in some olive oil. As you guys can hear, I am recovering from a cold. That's why I haven't recorded any new content over the past few days. But that didn't stop me from releasing recipes that I've already made. I'm going to add in half an onion chopped up, as fine as you can. And then just braise that until it's nice and brown. So I've adjusted the camera in hopes that you can see what I am doing, and then I'll be adding in mushrooms. So I'm adding my mushrooms in now. And then we're going to braise that in the pot. Be sure not to add in water, so just keep a hand on your onions, because soon I'll be adding in butter and garlic. And yeah, we'll be right back when I get to that step. I hope this is a better angle for you to see what I am doing. So my mushrooms are darkened now. And I will be adding in some melted butter and garlic with a pinch of mixed herbs into the mushrooms and the onion. While you were like braising your mushrooms and your onions, your mushrooms will produce a little bit of water, but that's okay. You can just braise it until the water is gone. And then I'll continue braising the garlic and the mushrooms. I've already pre-cooked my rice. When I cooked my rice, I just threw in about 8 allspice balls, salt and a little bit of fish oil. You know guys, I'm so conscious of my voice. Oh my word, I sound like a frog. But you know, I'm so dedicated to this. I wouldn't leave you guys hanging. So like I said, we'll continue to braise this and we'll be right back with the next step. Guys, I am back with the next step. I have half a can of mealies or corn. It was frozen and I just put it on the basin to thaw. Now I'm going to add it into the mushrooms. And then just braise this. So here I have my white rice and I have some pepper to taste. If you didn't throw enough salt into your rice, you can throw in some more. And then I have black seeds. This is optional, you don't have to throw it in. I throw it in. Not too much, just a few pinches. And then we're going to mix in the corn and the mushrooms. So now I'm dishing in the corn and the mushrooms. And then we're just going to mix that through, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. So now that I mixed everything through, this is the rice bowl, and this is perfect for any occasion. You can even have this Sunday lunches for Christmas or on Eid.